Okay, so finally installed the front bumper. In this episode, we're going to take a look at the front lip install that I did on the Type S. It wasn't that hard to do. There's just a few details that you want to keep in mind when you do this. So let's dive right into it. The reason why I chose this lip kit is just mainly simplicity reasons. I didn't want to get an aftermarket bumper for the RSX. I wanted everything to be OEM and stock. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna repaint the stock bumpers and then add the lip kit, because I don't want to have any issues with fitment. And I've already dealt with that before with my FRS, with bumpers popping out and everything. I just didn't want to deal with that, and I'm not sure if I want to just put an aftermarket bumper. So I'm keeping everything stock, and I'm just adding this lip kit right here just to add some flavor to it, but that's really my reason for getting this lip kit, because I just didn't want to get the aftermarket bumpers for the RSX. A lot to do with the fitment issues. I want to make sure everything fits nice and snug. The little screws right here, I'm not sure if I'm going to use these screws, but it did also come with it, the double-sided tape. So it already has holes in the corner. So we'll see how easy it is to install. I ran into a minor issue, not really an issue, but when I tried to put the lip on, it seemed like it was nice and snug, but it seemed like the fit wasn't quite right yet. So I think what I need to do is I need to take this part out, this little lip right here. I'm gonna have to take this out, and once I take this out, then I can try to put the lip back on. Okay, so I think the trick is to take this out and then put the lip back on it right here. Just have to be careful with these. I already, on the corners, you gotta take these things out carefully, because I already messed up this side right here. I just kind of pulled it, so you just have to be careful with that. And then underneath the car, right here, temporary fix, I just drilled the hole right here so that I can put like a zip tie to hold the lip temporarily, until I put the double-sided tape on here. I'm just doing this temporarily for now, temporary fix with the zip tie. So you just drill the hole right there in the middle. There's a zip tie right there, and I'm gonna put one more here, because even the holes right here is too far from my zip tie to put in. I need an extra hole to put next to it so I could work the zip tie. Put the zip tie to work. Oh, this lip needs to be stretched to fit right here. It's still too close. And make it fit. Okay, so right here are the screws. You just have to line them up and drill them properly, and then just put two screws right here. You gotta push this in, and line this up right here. Okay. This is the lip kit right here. It's a little tricky to install, but it seems to fit. All you have to do is just kind of pull it out a little more so that it'll extend right out, and then it has holes already, so I could just use these screws right here. But as you can see, you got to just kind of play with it, like right here. So So you just gotta look for the hole right here. Okay, so I'm getting ready to install the lip right here that's gonna go underneath the bumper right there. Before I do that, I'm gonna also put a double-sided tape right here, which I'm going to be putting over here, okay, in here, putting it all around right here. For the front bumper, again, finally got painted silver, same color, as you can see. And I put the double-sided tape all around. For here, I actually had to cut thinner because it's a little bit thinner than a regular size, so I had to cut half so that it can go all the way there. Okay, so I'm trying to see if I can install it now. Okay, so now that I got the lip in here, like ready to go, I'm just gonna peel the tape right here, the double-sided tape, so that it could be more, it'll stick better. Okay, so let me do that. Pull the tape out. Shit. Tape came off right there, man. I gotta figure that out. So I put zip ties underneath to hold it just extra secure. And we'll see how that works out. We'll see if the tape holds up on the bumper. After much deliberation, I had to take off the lip because I had some cheap tape. So just remember, if you guys are gonna install the lip, don't use the tape, the double-sided tape that comes with the lip, because those are cheap. I don't know why. Get your own. Go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get your own double-sided tape, and that's what I did. I took it all back out and redid it and put new double-sided tape right here. Okay, so we'll see how it works now. Hopefully it'll hold better. That's it, and hopefully this tape will hold better this time around. Don't forget to use better adhesive, double-sided tape. So there. There it is. Bumper. finally got the bumper installed, and yeah, just gonna tighten everything up and then see how it goes from here. But the lip looks good, as you can see. The double-sided tape is holding, and everything's in place. So just gonna tighten everything up, put all the screws back in. Okay, so finally installed the front bumper. It was a little tricky, but no big deal. You can see it has the front lip matching, and I already have the license plate holder right here. So for now, the double-sided tape seems to work, so it's pretty flush with the new headlights as well. So yeah, so that's, just have to tighten everything up, all the screws, everything, but you can see.
I like the simple, like lip kit. It's not a full-on, you know, we don't have a full-on body kit, which is fine because again, it's supposed to be a daily, and sometimes with the body kit it becomes a whole other like creation and monster. But sometimes you want to keep the core of the RSX and just, you know, complement. That's the word. You just want to complement or supplement. So I like the lip kit, right? It gives it some flavor here.
So that's gonna do it for the front lip install on this DC5. Till next time, drive safe and keep on rolling.